This is a big block here that I'm going to break up with the sledgehammer and the wedges into, well, I'm going to split it in half, and then each half I'm going to break up into 3 or 4 pieces before I put them up in the block for the splitting. This is very heavy, dense maul. I have plenty of wedges. I have here, I have a half dozen of them. I moved the block here with the big bar that I have, versus over here with the rest of the timber, and it wasn't easy to move now. There's a lot of work to be done here in the next while before I get the job completed. Split it in half first of all, and then we'll break everything else up into smaller pieces before we start going on to the splitting block and splitting up in the normal way. I go perpendicular to the rings, face the blade towards the middle of the block, towards the centre of it, and we start swinging. Not going too bad. No, there's a small crack appearing, but it's not going in the direction that I wanted to go in. I'll come in a little bit and try to encourage it to go straight onto the middle and get a line going. Oh yeah, crack coming. Yeah. Yes. It's going through it. Yeah. Now, this is working pretty well now, it is. See what it's like here. 2 wedges did most of the work, but I think I'll need the third one over here on the other side now. Driving this other big wedge now. Let's see what it'll do for us. Oh. Not opening completely. We'll try a 4th one over here. Okay, put the bar out of the way. Yeah. Still holding on a bit here. We'll see now if we can separate it. Yeah, that's separated. So we've 2, more or less 2 halves, and it's not going too easy. Oh yeah, got a crack. Oh yes, no, didn't expect that. That went quite well now. It's all pretty straight range here, it is. Now, this doesn't look big, but there's a good bit of weight on it now, a lot of weight. Get away from me. See there now, there's a lot of liquid coming up each side of it, plenty of moisture still there. Crack is starting to appear, but it's making me work. Oh yeah, crack is after coming here. Now, it's after coming away. Still hanging on with a small little bit. I'll get the axe to it. Yeah. Move this off to one side, please. Oh. No. Pretty painless. Now we'll tackle the other half of it. Now start to come towards me a bit, and it becomes inefficient when it's leaning towards you like this. It won't drive straight down into the block. So I'm going to give it a few hacks to move it away from me. Go into the block better that way. I see a crack. Another, and it's getting bigger. Yeah, it's opening up. Yeah. Now. Right. See the liquid coming out through it there, and still plenty of moisture in it, even though it's just cut down there in December when I suppose the amount of sap in it should be at a minimum. Crack, good crack. Yes, we've come through almost a few fibres holding on there. As we can see here, just to show you. Ah, yeah. Okay. Well, that's the preparatory work done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll leave it at that there. Any comments on it, you can send them in to me, or any questions, I'll answer them. And thanks for watching.